Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. So I have more birthday gifts, if you can believe it. And then I have a completion. So I'm going to do the birthday gifts first and get them out of the way. And then I have some unboxings. One unboxing as well. Okay, so we'll just get right to it. I hope that everybody is having a great day. Today is April the 5th. It is a Wednesday. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the weekend. So, all right. So my first birthday gift is this. This has been on my Amazon wish list for probably 6 months. So I was so excited when I opened this up. So I was just beyond thrilled. Kim from Kimba's Craft, if you have not seen her channel, please watch her channel. She did an unboxing of this, I think like around Christmas time. It may have even been a little bit before. And I was like, I must have it. And hers may be a little different. I can't remember, but I just knew that there was a couple of ones like this that weren't all bears. I think there was a pig. I remember that, but I have just been wanting this forever. So we will open this up. This is a 60 jar kit. Or storage. So it comes with all this lovely stuff. Okay. Let me get it out. Really, I'm going to get it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. It has sticky stuff on it. So it comes with, two purple boats and then a larger boat. This is nice. I'm gonna figure out how to get this sticky off of it. That's really neat. So I have, and these like these lovely plastic tweezers. Actually, I'm going to start using these when I do my, when I do special drills. I think they'll be great. So I'm sorry I called it useless. Four purple pins with multi-placers on them. So I bet this is probably like a 10, probably a 7. These look the same. I'm not really good at guessing at what these are, but this one is probably a 3-placer with single tips. Some purple wax and some baggies. A straightener. And then a funnel. All purple. I love that. Pink and purple are my favorite colors. And a funnel. Cool. Cool beans. You also get some stickers. I don't like these because they're really, the material, material is really shiny. So if you write on it, and if you accidentally rub it, it rubs it off. So I don't use these really. And then this cute little bag. Look at that. Look, little sunflowers on it, or daisies. I would definitely use this. It's a good size. I am going to be going out of town in the next week actually, and I will use this to take some stuff with me. But here are the jars. So they're a good size. And it's just a 60, so it's just the one set. And they have the nice little foam rubber, foam to hold the jars in place, and then a little sleeve. So this is really great. Great, great, great. So this is from my friend Hannah. So thank you, Miss Hannah. Okay. And then I got, and I have already unboxed this, I got more, well, actually the exact same coasters. They're gnome coasters, and I had gotten that gift from my friend Susie. And so I got the exact same one, but that's okay, because this Christmas I am going to be giving out coasters. So this is perfect. So they are gnomes, because I remember I was saying there's only one girl in all of these. Like, how is that? They're so cute though. I am going to Arkansas next week with some people that I used to work with. And so it's a 4-hour drive, and the coasters is what I'm going to be working on. So I'm not going to open it. So these are the colors, the crystals that came with it. So it looks like there's numbers and alphabet. So I will be kitting this up and taking it with me. And then, like I said, a basic toolkit. And this is from Miss Haley. Haley and Hannah are twins. All right. And then my friend Stephanie got me an oil diffuser. And it comes with, and she got me lavender, eucalyptus, and sweet orange. So I'm going to put this on. You know, I told him this is like something that I would look at in the store and go, man, I want one of those. But then I wouldn't ever buy it for myself. So this is really neat. I'm excited. And here we go. I have to figure out how it works. So here's the plug. I guess you just put water in it. Oh. And then put a couple of drops of the essential oils in it, and then it just goes to work. So I am going to be turning that on. Cool beans. Okay, so I think that is it for the birthday. Okay, so now I also have started, I bought, this is a paint gem set. I bought this probably a month ago, and this is a mystery kit, so I'm not going to show you anything. I'm just going to kind of tell you that there is 13 small size canvases, which are probably about this size, and everyone is a mystery. And so what I will do is I will show you the completion, and then I'll put spoiler and all of that if you are wanting to do it. But I have done 2 so far, and they have really turned out great. My only concern is that I hope I'm not going to be running out of drills, because I feel like that I am, but we'll see. Okay, now I got this from Amazon last week, and like I said, I'm going to be doing posters for Christmas gifts. So my friend Courtney loves dogs. She has 4 of her own, her and her husband, and On Thursdays, I teach an exercise class, and sometimes when the weather is nice, we go out to walk. She talks and wants to pet every dog that she sees, so these are for her. So it comes with a basic kit, a bow, wax, and a pen. Nothing there. But these are doggies. Look. I think this is a Chihuahua. And these are wooden. So I didn't come with a backing like they sometimes do. So there's a Chihuahua. And then here, I think it's probably a pit bull. Look at that. I'm not sure, other than it's cute. I'm not sure what type of dog. And here's a pug. Please. And here's another pug. Look at that. I am not good at naming dog breeds, so here's Spud McKenzie. They're so cute. I bet this is a corgi. Oh my God, absolutely adorable. And look at this one. Oh my gosh. It has a metal holder. So I will take probably the gnome, one of the gnomes, and the doggies to work on my way to Arkansas. Oh my, look at all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you have drills and crystals. There's black, and then there's a black and crystals. This is almost like a smoky gray. And then silver and pink. Look at that. I think that's yellow, like orange. Another silver. This is like a darker orange. Maybe brown. Oh, pretty. Look at those. So I can't wait to do these. All right. So there is that. And then I think that's it. So I'm going to show you a completion. So if you're new to my channel, I have a friend that I used to work with. She left our hospital and she's working at a different facility now. But she was helping me kind of get some of my older kits done. And so she left me, darn her, and she gave me the last 2 of her completions. So these are Rachel's completions. All right, so the first one is, and she does, and I have it upside down, such great work. Now this is from Diamond Art Gifts. I won this from Mindy's Diamond Moment. Look at those butterflies. They turned out so good. She does excellent work. She just started diamond painting probably last year around Thanksgiving or something. Her and her husband sometimes helps her, so I'm sure he probably helped with this. So thank you, Junior. Look at that. This is 24 colors, and it is a round. And like I said, this comes from Diamond Art's Gift. You guys, I don't know about you, but I really don't like washi tape. It doesn't stick very well. But again, it is probably me. because if anybody struggles, it's me. But look at that. This is a 30 by 40 round drill. But it looks great in the camera, and it looks great in real life as well. Okay, and so here's her other one. This, I believe, oh, I know where I got this. I believe I got this from Temu. Either Temu or Shop Any Deals. I can't remember. But it says love. And this is 20 colors, I believe. Yes, 20 colors. Round. DMCs are on both of those. But it turned out really great. Look at that. I'm going to kind of back it up. Yeah. It looks great. She does really great work. So, okay, I think that is all I have for you guys tonight. Yep, those are all. So I think that my birthday gifts are finally finished, and I am ecstatic to kit up in this. And I think I know exactly the one that I'm going to kit up in. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you could hit that like button on your way out, I would appreciate it immensely. If you would like to become a part of my Struggle Bus family, please hit the subscription button, and also hit that little bell to be notified anytime that I put up a video. I hope that you guys are having a great week and getting ready for the weekend. I hope you have something really great planned for the weekend. I am just doing absolutely nothing. My grandbabies are coming over and staying the night with me Friday night, and other than that, going to the gym Saturday, and other than that, I have no other plans. Oh, I'm lying. I do have a birthday party to go, a birthday dinner to go to Saturday night. So, but that's it. Nothing else. Okay. Remember to be kind to one another. Remember to keep cool and keep diamond painting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.